How to automate Instagram DMs with ChatGPT step-by-step tutorial. Tired of copying and pasting the same Instagram messages over and over? What if I told you ChatGPT could slide into your DMs for you automatically? Let's set it up. Step by step. How to automate Instagram DMs with ChatGPT. Step 1. Understand the limitations. Instagram doesn't allow direct ChatGPT integration, but you can automate DMs using ChatGPT plus tools like ManyChat, MobileMonkey, or Make.com. Step 2. Create ChatGPT responses. Use ChatGPT to generate intelligent reply templates. Sales reply, FAQ appointment booking, lead capture, etc. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Create a friendly DM reply when someone types pricing into my Instagram page. Include emoji and a CTA. Step 3. Connect Instagram to automation tool. Choose one of these tools. ManyChat, best for IG DMs plus automation. Go to ManyChat.com. Link your Instagram business account. Set up triggers. X, when user sends keyword like info. Use ChatGPT-generated replies as responses. MobileMonkey, same idea. More focused on lead gen, Make.com or Zapier. Use API plus ChatGPT for more custom workflows. Step 4. Optional. Add AI with OpenAI API. For dynamic responses, use Make.com. Trigger new Instagram DM received. Action. Send message content to ChatGPT API response. Send back a custom reply to user. Note. This requires OpenAI API key plus paid plan on Make or Zapier. Step 5. Test and refine. Run test DMs. Adjust triggers, keywords, track conversions from DMs. Bonus tip. Want it completely hands-off? Train ChatGPT to answer like your brand by feeding it sample convos, FAQs, and tone style preferences. That's it. Instagram DMs on autopilot powered by ChatGPT. Now you can grow your brand while sipping coffee instead of copy-pasting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and DM me. Automate for more automation secrets.